Whenever I don't get my way, bitch, I get real belligerent. Have a pot to piss and now I'm pissing on them and they sick. I need a doctor visit, tell me doctor, am I really sick? He said I'm showing characteristics of being a snobby bitch.
Just for a disclaimer, I just want y'all to know that when you're doing this, use extreme caution because you can, I repeat, you can wax your damn eyebrows off. Thank you. Have a nice day. Keep watching the video. What's up, y'all? This is Jack Johnson, and today I will be waxing my eyebrows. Okay, so today I picked up the GG honey warmer from my local beauty supply store. It was like $32.99, and then I got the wax itself. Okay, so I got the actual all-purpose honey, and that was about $4. And then I got the natural muslin epilating strips. Hold on. Might have to dim the light. There we go. So that's what we're gonna use. When you first get your warmer, you need to put the collar inside of the warmer and let it like sit in there for about 25 minutes, and then you pull it out and your honey is ready to use. And anytime after that, they said you should put it on low. I guess they have it on high just, you know, just to warm it up or whatever. So I guess we're gonna get right into it, and that's it. Okay, so you're gonna start with a popsicle stick. You're gonna break that popsicle stick in half. Dip into my wax pot. And then you're gonna test it on the back of your hand. And if it's too hot, you might need to wait. It feels pretty comfortable to me, so we're gonna get to it. Okay, so my mirror is down and slightly that way, so if I'm looking weird, it's because I'm looking in the mirror. And just to be better prepared, you should go ahead and cut up your epilating strips. That way you're not, you know, you don't have wax on your hand and trying to cut this at the same time. It gets really messy. So yeah, keep in mind of that. And never double dip. Never. Never. That's nasty. So it's already been on my skin. So we're going to get the other popsicle stick. That's why we broke these two in half. Okay? Hey Chanel. Oh yeah. Y'all say hey to my Chanel. She's acting kind of funny because she's pregnant. Show on your babies, baby. Whoop whoop, whoop whoop. I'm gonna be your grandma. Now get on, Chanel, go. Okay. So when you're doing this waxing, you want to, when you lay the wax down, that's exactly where you're gonna remove the hair from. So, like, when you actually put the epilating strip up there, you're going to, like, smooth it in the direction of your hair growth. So since your eyebrow hairs grow down, you're gonna smooth down, smooth down. And then you're gonna get the end of that epilating strip and go the opposite of where you just smooth. So you're gonna go up instead of down. Okay, so 1, 2. Don't worry, we have a lot of wax still up there because we're gonna go in with our wax off that we also got from the beauty supply store. And you know, get the excess off. It's gonna relieve your skin of that stuff. So we're gonna get a new stick, crack it, dip again. Sometimes it can be runny, just, you know, twist, twist. See, when you're waxing, you can kind of like line your newly arched eyebrow to your old eyebrow and go from there. So my newly arched eyebrows. Alright, now that my eyebrows are all sticky, I'm going to get my pledgets. They're basically like cotton rounds that you can get from the Dollar Tree, and they give you a lot. Yeah, it's like 80 count. And then I'm using this wax remover for the skin wax off by the Gigi brand, the same as the waxing pot. It's the same brand. So yeah, that's what we're using to get the excess off. So we're gonna get our pledget. Chanel, get the hell away. I swear, y'all, every time I start recording, this cat always come around the corner, man. Wait, so I need to wax off and put it right there. It's kind of like a green color. Chanel, stop. It's kind of like a green color. Okay, y'all. So I decided that I want to try to get rid of my mustache hair. So I'm gonna do that real quick. Little bonus, little some. You probably can't see it, but got a few little hairs. Ugh. Y'all, I am never waxing my lip again. This shit hurts. It really does. I think this shit feel worse than my eyebrows. Damn. Y'all fuck with your girl, go make sure y'all go shop Alien Gal, like, comment, and subscribe. You feel me?
Whenever I don't get my way, bitch, I get real belligerent. Have a pot to piss and now I'm pissing on them and they sick. I need a doctor visit, tell me doctor, am I really sick? He said I'm showing characteristics of being a snobby bitch.